What's up, guys? Welcome to the Nike stock valuation video. This video is made in response to the TikTok that I created, calling that Nike stock was easy money buying at whatever, $87, $88 a share. So what we're going to do here, a lot of people said that I was not valuing the stock correctly. Part of the way I like to think of a stock is where it traded at in the past and just compare that. So here's what we're going to do. This is the best way to value this. We're going to take the average PE ratio of the last 10 years for Nike stock. Okay, I don't like to use price to sales. I think price to earnings is the most important metric to use. So here we can see the last 10 years, the cheapest Nike traded was in August of 2010. It traded at a PE ratio of 15. That's the lowest it went. The highest it went was in November of 2020. It traded at 75. Okay, now that is very unrealistic. I don't even want to factor that into it. You can take the average of both of those numbers, and it would be 45 would be in the middle between 15 and 75, right? But we're not even going to do that because this number is unrealistic. Let's just say between 15 and between, I don't know, 32, or you could even say, right between this 20 to 30 mark is pretty much what the average is, like right there, that 24, 25 mark, right? So let's say that's the average, okay? That's where Nike trades on average. And in the last 12 months, Nike did $5.6 billion of net income, okay? Before that, they did $6 billion. Now, the other thing to consider here is that Nike is probably only going to make more and more money, right? Nike's not going out of business anytime soon. The chances of that are 1 in a million. Here we see they're going to do 5% revenue growth, then 8% revenue growth the next year. EPS is going to come down a little bit, right? Last year was 3.75. This year, maybe only $3 of EPS. But the following year, it's going to go back up and go right back to where it was. And probably for years and years to come, it's going to go to $4 and $5 and $6 of EPS. It could take years, right? It could grow slowly, but Nike's not going to just go out of business or stop becoming popular all of a sudden. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that $5.6 billion that they did in the last 12 months and multiply that times the PE at 25. And with that, we have $140 billion, which would be the current fair valuation, okay? And if we check the price of Nike right now, we can see it's trading at $138 billion, which is pretty much right where it should be trading. So I pretty much, at very best, you could say I bought the stock at a fair valuation. It's hard to say that I bought it at a overpriced valuation because we just ran the numbers. Nike, the valuation can fluctuate. The PE can go to 20 to 30, right? It could even go to 50, right? So technically it could be trading at double where it is today. And if we're in a really hot inflated market, a big bull market, this stock could go back to $160, $170, right? That's in a bull market. Right now, we're in a bear market. Everything is being sold off and things are being pushed down, and that is the time to buy. So is it possible that this stock goes to $70 or $60? Yes, but that would be trading at such a low valuation. That would be at record lows. It'd be at a PE of 15 or 20 in that range. And so that's why I'm very happy with where I bought this stock at. So there's the valuation that fluctuates, the PE. And then there's also what's going to fluctuate is their earnings. Let's say the earnings goes down, let's say this year, like it's expected to do, because they have built up inventory and stuff and they're marking down their prices. So yeah, they're going to have worse margins. They're going to have decreased EPS for this year. But how we saw, EPS is going to come back. Let's say we have a recession in 2023. Let's say the economy gets bad. Okay, people are not going to be buying. They're not going to spend as much money on Nikes then, right? That's fine. That's for the next 12 months. Then 2024 comes along, and things keep going up. Nike's not going anywhere. So I'm very happy with where I bought this stock. Worst case scenario, I bought it at a fair value, and it's possible it goes down another 10 or 20%. I don't think it's realistic for it to go down more than that, though. And I think the upside is so huge on the stock. I think we're going to see the stock go back towards $200 again. And that is why I am bullish on Nike stock. Thank you for watching, and comment down below your thoughts. Thank you.